wanna change his diaper. It's a lot of caca.
Caca?
Yeah. You got a lot of caca. It stinks. Yeah. See, stinks. Where's the keys? Here.
That's how you gonna have no, never do. They just
It's gonna wet, Brandon. Say hi, look. He's gonna temper. Say hi there. Hi, Eric.
Hi, Chris.
Tina. No, Chris is not there anymore.
Oh!
And Eric, Corey, Jennifer, Sarah, Katie, and Cheryl and baby. Hi to Grandma and Grandpa Toon and to Grandma Rogers. Say happy birthday to Grandma Rogers on September 30.
Birthday to you.
Tell her this is gonna be your birthday present for her. Yeah, say my birthday present for you, Grandma. Say, when are you coming over with Jan? When is Aunt Janice gonna come and Uncle Ron? Say I wanna play with Tina and Katie. There's the pool. Run, Brandon. Run. No shoes, just socks. Run. Run. No shoes. Say no shoes.
Oh, man.
Tama na?
Oh, man.
Maraming tumitingin doon.
No!
Said, Grandma, don't get angry because I don't have shoes on.
Hindi ko naman kinukuha eh. Yung mukha lang niya eh.
Hintay na. Mainit eh. Hi! Say it's only 110 degrees in Arizona. It's only 110 degrees in Arizona. You wanna go swimming? He wants to go swimming. You wanna go swimming? Let's go. Let's see. This one. This one too.
Sound.
Huh?
No sound?
No, just return this to Mom because this is theirs. This is the baby's phone. We're gonna send it to Marilyn.
It goes with us.
Yeah, in California.
What's the matter, baby? Huh? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Huh? Mommy's not gone. She'll be back. She'll be back. Yeah.
Brandon. Hi. Yeah. All of this thing. Oh, nantok na oh.
You're sleeping?
Yeah, gihikap.
Ayaw